and then manners,
umthetho.
it is the law.
Mawugcine umthetho wabazali,
If you keep the law of the parents,
you never go wrong empilweni.
then they are be in your life.
And kulula ukukhonza kwakho.
It is easy therefore for you to
Abantu
worship.
abakwazi ukugcina umthetho womzali,
Those who are able to keep the law of the parents,
ukukhokhelwa.
they are not perturbed when they are led.
Umuntu ohluleka ukukhokhelwa,
A person who is unable to be led
engafuni ukukhokhelwa,
and does not want to be led,
akumyeke la esontweni.
just move away and don't
Uye
go
emuva.
back. Go back.
Uye emuva kubo.
Go back unto his household.
Uyothola ukuthi abazali bebezwa ngayo.
You will find that his parents were
Akayazi into yokutshelwa ukuthi akenze njani.
He does not know how to be told what to
Uma
do.
ufike kimi-ke,
When you come unto our
ufike
Father,
kwingangalala engatshelwa, etshelayo.
you have come to a gigantic that is not told to
Kuba
the
yathanda
parents.
mina ngiminenge.
God has not
Uthe
done our
ngimtshele
Father
okulungileyo
just to ask you.
ikwenze.
God is our Father is here to tell you what
Awungeke-ke ukhonvinse mina.
you cannot convince our Father.
Nokuqonda kwakho kuncane gqithi
Even your
kungakhonvinsa.
understanding is so minute.
La angingabazi into yokuthi uNkulunkulu ungithume kimi.
Our Father is not mistaken that He sent us.
Angingabazi futhi
He does not
into
even
yokuthi
mistake
impilo yenu
that your life,
isekwenzeni ilizwi lakhe.
it is unto you
Njengoba
making
nami
this law.
impilo yami
Similarly as His
isekwenzeni
life,
ilizwi kaNkulunkulu.
it is making the
Uma
word of
ngizazwa
God.
ngawe manje ungishintshe.
If we shall hear from you
uNkulunkulu angithume yona.
and change our Father to what He
Ngizoba
sent,
nenkosi ezimbili manje.
our Father means we listen
Kuzoba
to two
khona
masters.
wena,
There will be
kuzoba
you.
khona uNkulunkulu.
There will also be God.
Angeke ngiye kufeni mina
Our
wena
Father shall not
ukufa.
go to death. You are
uNkulunkulu
dead.
uphila
God
kimi.
is alive.
Ngizakwenza le
God is
uNkulunkulu athi ngiyenze.
Our Father is going to do what God
Wena
says.
masowukhala.
Even if you are
Uyokhala
crying,
wena esogqinayo.
You will cry and go to
Hayi
hell.
ukuthi izokwenziwa ubani yini.
not what our Father will do.